Hey guys, this is Joey. Greetings from Linbay Machinery. Welcome back to our channel. We are testing the cross bracing roll forming machine today, and as you can see, this is the example. The cross bracing is the main part in the racking system. The cross bracing is usually used to connect with the upright to provide more stability for the rack structures, and usually it's made of the steel coil with a thickness of 1.5 to 2 millimeters. And usually the material can be the cold rolled steel or galvanized steel or hot rolled steel. And let's go and see more details. This is the guiding part of the roll forming machine, and these 4 guiding rollers can keep the steel coil and the roll forming machine on one same center line to keep the straightness of the cross bracing. And this is the digital display. We can see the guiding weights from the digital display, and with the wheel we can rotate the wheel to change the weights between these 2 guiding rollers. And this is the hydraulic punching machine. The cross bracing is designed to connect with the upright to provide more stability for the racking system. Usually there are 2 connection solutions. The first solution is to connect the cross bracing with the upright by installing screws on the flange of the cross bracing. And the second solution is to connect the upright with the cross bracing by punching holes on this bottom. And we can customize the punching solution based on our customer's requirements. For example, we can punch holes on flange and bottom, 3 holes at the same time. And on this production line, we use the first solution, punch holes on the flange. And because the punching position is on the flange, punching before roll forming is the most efficient solution. And then the steel coil will go into the roll forming machine. This roll forming machine has the wall panel structure and the chain driving system. It's relatively simple and worth investment. This is the encoder from the coil brand, Japanese brand. On this roll forming machine, we can produce multiple sizes cross bracing. First step, we need to loosen the fasteners and remove it, so we can have more space for the spacer to move out, and we can provide more space for the guiding, so we can provide more space for the roll forming rollers to move. The roll forming point can be changed as the movement of the roll forming rollers. It can be changed from here to here, for example. And this is the cutting part of our roll forming machine. This cutting machine almost makes no wastage per cut. And if you want a higher production speed, we also offer the moving function on the cutting base. And one production like this requires about 90 working days to produce. One production line like this requires about 90 working days to produce. If you are interested in this production line, please feel free to contact us. We will plan the production and to ensure a timely start to your project. This is Joey. See you next time.